everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm a little late, but I'm sharing with you guys the coupon inserts that we will be getting this weekend. We are getting 2 inserts, 1 Smart Source and 1 Retail Me Not. I'm going to go through this Smart Source with you guys right away, and then I'll go through the Retail Me Not. Now, this website is SundayPaperCoupons.com. I just Google it. Another thing to know is make sure you know that your area has these coupons. I know some areas don't get them all, so when I say if you guys know you're going to get them, that's good. If you don't get them, then that's when you need to look ahead. So this week, I know for sure I'll be getting a lot of these coupons, which I'm pretty excited for. Okay, so here we're getting Afrin, we're getting Claritin, Colgate. Now these are different coupons. We're getting $2 off the Colgate Total Advance, all that stuff, and then we're also getting $2 off mouthwash, but then we're getting $1 off other toothpaste and 50 cents off other toothpaste. So for Colgate, so it just depends on what you got. Irish body wash, we got $1 off one. Now last time that was a combined coupon with soft soap and Irish Springs, so I have a feeling it might be a combined one because I do not see soft soap on here. So we will see what is going on. But then we got Ken's, Milani, 3 off of 1, 2 off of 1. I've never get Milani. Revlon, 4 off of 1, and then we got Ladies Speed Stick and Men's Speed Stick, $1 off of 2. So it's kind of a sad week. Soft Pretzel, $1.50 off of 1. So there is for the Smart Source. Sorry, you guys, I'm like getting sick. Retail Me Not, we're getting $1 off all for the detergent product, and then it says, okay, $2 off the bigger bottle of all. Caress, we got $1 off of 1, and then tons of Dove. Garnier, buy one Garnier Fructis shampoo conditioner, you get a mask for free. Nexus, we got $5 off of 1. Pond's $1.50 off of 1. Simple, buy one cleanser, you get one free. Snuggle, we're getting $1 off of 1. St. Ives, $1.50 off of 1. Tresemme, the Pro Collection, we're getting $1.50 off of 1. And then the Pro Pure products, we're getting $4 off of 2. And then a shampoo and conditioner of the regular Tresemme, $2.50 off of 2. So not the greatest. $2 Vaseline and $10 off of 1 Zyrtec. So those are the inserts that we are getting. It's an okay week. I know I'm going to probably just buy 4 newspapers, and that's pretty much it. There's days where I buy a lot of newspapers, and there's days where I don't. So I'm pretty much just going to get the 4 that I usually get. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.